Introducing the virtual Whizk Culinary Pilot Cookbook, a groundbreaking product that is set to revolutionize the way we cook. The virtual Whizk Culinary Center combines the power of artificial intelligence with a vast culinary database to create an intelligent, interactive kitchen ecosystem. At the heart of this system is SpeakEasy, state-of-the-art natural language processing engine that acts as the intuitive voice interface. Imagine being able to interact with your cookbook using just your voice. That's exactly what SpeakEasy enables. You can ask it questions in natural language, and it will translate those queries into actionable commands for the cookbook's extensive database, retrieving the information you need in real time. But that's not all. The virtual Whizk also features an advanced recipe guidance system. Whether you're a beginner cook or an experienced chef, this feature will guide you through each step of the cooking process, providing clear, concise instructions that are easy to follow. It's like having a personal assistant in the kitchen with you, helping you to prepare your favorite dishes with ease. Another powerful feature of the virtual Whiz is its ability to understand and respond to context. As you interact with the system, it remembers what you've said and done, allowing for a more personalized and efficient cooking experience. For example, if you ask it to set a timer for 10 minutes, and then ask it to start the recipe, it will automatically retrieve the relevant recipe from the database and begin cooking it. No need to input the same information twice. But what happens if you're in the middle of a recipe and something goes wrong? Don't worry, the virtual Whiz has got you covered. Its real-time troubleshooting feature will help you to identify and fix any issues that may arise during the cooking process. Whether it's a question about ingredients, techniques, or anything else related to your recipe, the virtual Whiz will be there to help guide you towards a successful outcome. So how does the virtual Whiz help you become a better cook? By providing you with a wealth of culinary knowledge and an intuitive interface, the virtual Whiz makes it easier than ever to learn new cooking techniques and improve your skills in the kitchen. Whether you're looking to expand your repertoire of go-to recipes or want to master a particular cooking technique, the virtual Whiz is the perfect companion. Become a better cook today with the virtual Whiz.